Uses of computer. You will learn. Student will be able to define the computer as a machine. Understand the uses of computer. Understand that the computer can remember many things. Understand that the computer always gives accurate answer.
Do you know why we use computers? The computer is a machine. It helps us in doing many jobs. We can do many jobs using it. Computer is used to do many things.
Like?
To listen to music. Headphones or speakers help us to listen to the music. To play games. Games are stored in CDs. To do sums and find correct results. You can solve sums using computer calculator. Compact disc is used to store information. To store a lot of work you do on the computer. Draw figures. We draw with the mouse. We print with the printer. Internet is used to send and receive messages. Computers are useful to us because of its qualities. The qualities of the computer make them useful to us. Computer works very fast. Just as we remember things that we see and hear. Similarly, computers can also remember many things told to it. When you do addition or subtraction, sometimes you make mistakes. Don't you? But computer never makes mistake. It always gives the right answer, which means it is always correct. We can say that computer is a machine which works very fast, can remember things and always gives correct answers. We can say that computer is a machine.
Good habits. Keep magnets away from the computer as it can erase information from your computer. Keywords: machine, games, music, sums, results, storing, print, draw, send, receive, qualities, remember.